Low cloud has been very stubborn today, leading to quite poor visibility and some drizzle in places. Join me at the end of the programme for a full live forecast to see if tomorrow is looking any brighter.
Abbie is here. Are you easily scared? Do you have a nervous disposition?
Yes, I would hate that.
Okay.
That looks awful. What about you?
Yeah, I could take it or leave it.
OK, I feel like we've set ourselves up for a bit of an office fright now, haven't we?
Horror show.
Thankfully, the weather is nothing really too terrifying at the moment. I mean, it was quite cloudy today, wasn't it? The cloud has been quite stubborn today. So it's led to kind of misty, murky conditions, a little bit of drizzle as well in places. A few Halloween photos still coming in from the BBC Weather Watchers. If you would like to send a photo in to us here at North West Tonight, all the details can be found on the screen behind me very shortly. You can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on X, follow me on Twitter, and you can sign up to become one of our BBC Weather Watchers as well, and those photos come directly into us here at North West Tonight. So the headline for tomorrow, a really similar forecast to come, a fairly cloudy day to come, mostly dry. We've got a big area of high pressure, keeping our weather very similar, very settled, very repetitive over the next few days. But it is quite tricky to forecast exact cloud amounts when the pressure is this high. So it may well be that the cloud breaks a little more tomorrow and we see some brighter spells, but we could also see it thick enough for a couple of spots of drizzle, much like today. But a lot of cloud overnight tonight. And what the cloud is doing is acting as a bit of a blanket and stopping our temperatures from dropping much lower than about 9 or 10 degrees. So it will be quite a mild start to the day tomorrow. Potentially quite misty and murky in one or two places, much like the last couple of mornings. That will lift. We'll see quite a lot of low cloud once again. Thick enough in one or two spots for a couple of bits and pieces of drizzle, but nothing really that should spoil things too much if you are heading out trick-or-treating tomorrow evening. Temperatures 14 or 15 degrees Celsius. So it is relatively mild for the time of year at the moment. We are in this milder air mass. A slight change this weekend. Cooler air just starts to flirt with the far north of the UK, but it doesn't last long. We will then see it returning back to this warmer southerly airflow into the start of next week, and that will boost our temperatures once again. So Friday's forecast then. At the moment, a very similar day to come. A lot of cloud. The best chance of seeing any brightness will be further east. A mostly dry day, though, with our temperatures once again slightly above the average, around 14 or 15 degrees. Slightly more sunshine in the forecast, I think, for the weekend, Rog.
So you're not going to be all dressed up and going trick-or-treating tomorrow night, then?
I mean, I've come as Wednesday Addams.
It's a very good look, indeed.
As good as it gets.
Thanks, Abbie. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening.